me and my sister, go check out her channel. I'll tag it on the link down below. And we're gonna make slime, okay? Now I'm gonna give you I'm gonna show you all the supplies. So what you need is glue. Glue. It doesn't have to be Elmer's glue. What the heck? You guys find Elmer's glue. Baking soda, okay. Contact solution. Lotion to make it softer. Shaving cream. And the shaving cream is because we're making what kind of slime today? Okay, we're making fluffy slime. And and like something to mix with. Optional for full coloring. You could also use paint. Is there any more in here? Can we make a different color? Okay, it's fine. I want to make a blue yellow. I want to see what that makes. Okay, then we don't need yellow. She needs blue. Okay.
And then you need a bowl.
Then you need a bowl. Okay, we got a bowl. It's not really washed, but it's a bowl. Okay, so first.
We're gonna do it in the bathroom?
Yeah.
Okay.
So first.
You want me to hold the camera for you?
No. Okay, yeah, so first what we do
is you grab the bowl.
Is you grab the bowl, you put some glue in it, right? Okay?
Yeah.
Put some glue.
Mommy's gonna see it and we can't make slime in the bathroom.
Okay. There's the glue. You can put as much as you want. It's just that how much you want, how much slime you want, okay? Alright.
Shaving cream.
So next is the shaving cream, alright? So
don't go too overboard. Pop it open.
You like,
shake it.
You shake it and then you like put it on your glue, alright?
Okay, that's it.
Okay, not too much or else it's not gonna work. Right? Next is the
lotion?
Yeah, that's what it's called. Lotion. To make it soft.
It's optional to put the lotion after.
Then we mix it, right? And then we put the dye in, alright? The dye is to make it color. Right,
it's a dye drop.
Okay,
baking soda. You could mix it, but I like to do it all at once. That's what it looks like.
I'm gonna add some baking soda. The baking soda like helps it get together.
Just like
that's enough.
That's a lot. And now the saline. So once it's thoroughly mixed and there's no more white spots, it's ready to come together. So it looks really green without the camera.
Should I put the solution in yet?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the solution makes it come together.
Don't put too much. And it should start coming together.
See it's getting stickier. It's gonna come together soon.
Add more saline. Use saline. You need a little more. That's way too sticky. So,
This is getting into its texture, as you can see.
and then once it starts sticking off the bowl, you could start kneading it. Yeah, let me add a little more.
Okay, I think I need that.
Okay, you could start kneading it now.
Okay.
It's green.
Yeah, I need to fix that. Here. So now,
So this is how you make fluffy slime.
so you can play with it different ways. I like to poke it.
What the heck? Another way is like this. It's
I also
swirling
swirl it.
That's not how you swirl
I
slime.
don't care. I also like it to like just go through my fingers. Or do this,
Okay, do your
which is the weirdest way to play slime.
so do your last part of your intro.
And that's how you make slime, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and subscribe. And leave a like down below. Thank you.